People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed, love and greetings all my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Right now, you know me there on my way to football. I run later, you don't know. Man did have to finish up. Run the boat in the kitchen, you know? Yes. So anyway, security guard shot and injured, battling for his life. More after
Come to Foot TV at the right place and let's don't go nowhere.
Too much killing a guan, out a road and inna the lawn. Roast down a pre-Greenwich farm. Jerry a try murder Tom. All a who send money from foreign fi buy shot, I and I burn out that. A full-time different killing fi stop DJ Barber, now promote that. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. When I say when it a go end, the violence, boy right now done Mobay turn up with violence right now. When a bad man and police or bad man and security or bad man and the normal citizens, residents them. You get me? Mobay, St. James, John Star. My viewers and subscribers. As I can see right now, the security guard battling for his life. And then a security guard shot on robbery. So basically the man them go, we make two links on the ground, you know? And find out what really are going on. I hear say, the man them go for rob Miss Chin. You see me? I know the Chinese are out there make the money. Plenty. Business wise. See? So the man them go joke Mr. Chin. Well, Mr. Chin at gunpoint and I demand money. You know what I mean? The security guard now, I don't know if he have gun or what, but him go intervene and try overcome the man them. And the man them pull him up a shot. More than one shot too, you see me? More than one can them give. You get me? I say John Star right now I'm there on intensive care battling for his life. Who knows, you can hear him drop out, you never know. We all see what happened to the sergeant today. The police, you see me? When him release and his release date him pronounce. You see me? So I say when it go end Star, when the crime go stop, yo. Enough security guard man them kill still, you know. Right now the security them never safe right now up on the job of Jamaica because the man them eat them food. Man them now ram for pepper them skin. You see me? Even the police them, the man them now ram for pepper them skin. Look at one in Augustown. Man them pepper soldier. Right now the soldier in intensive care. Supposed to go up on some more surgery, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, blessed Sunday, you don't know. I say John Star, you ought to live in love and stop the crime, no man. Boy, oh boy. It's like a man make up his mind for dead and them family for dead. And you got hurt John Tam and come hurt you. And you hurt John Tam family, John Tam and prefer hurt your family. You see me? Me as a man I'll move him from Ragging King again to hospital. What kind of thing them there? And where the king do so? The king go on with something really bad, man. Something is into something why they really want Ragging King like that. You get what me I say? Why are they moving? Well, I don't know if I'm friend them. But the man that I can't even friend them and the man that investigation and got arrested. See? Right now, I'm moving from Falmouth to a discreet location hospital. You see me? And if they really want to move, who to tell? You never know who you can trust because your own friend are your enemy. Your own family are your enemy are informed on you. All because of money, you know? And fear. Them pass and miss information where you are. You see it? So, Ragging King, long live the king. Live up and strengthen up, brother. That's what I say. Yeah, man, I hopefully that security guard that don't lose his life because the man out there earn him honest bread. To feed him family them. You know? Why him brave to, you know, because for me, you know, whereas if I have the gun and them man they have gun. You must be mad. Take
the money and go on. I think Mr. Chin will lose his life or Miss Chin will lose her life. You see me? At least I understand say your job you're depend, yes. And you protect the job, you do your job. But if you're not going for shoot out with them man there. Because if I did shoot out, they may say shoot out, it wasn't shoot out. Like him try to wrestle with the man. The last security guard, let me say I wrestle with the man. And he may not lose his life. You see me? You can't fight a man with gun, where a man have a gun and you have fists. You must be mad. You get to me and say about, I hope him live still, you get me? I know I don't wish that on no one, you know? The viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and take care of yourself anywhere on the end of the world, you see me? Yeah man, a lion foot, you know? Right now Jamaica turn up with crime everywhere you turn. Bob Marley says everywhere is war. And a true star. Yo. Tap the crime man. Tap the crime. The viewers and subscribers, me there a vlog on the go, you know. You just want to share it to them still, you see me? Because I said John style, just be careful foreigner them on the guy yard, just be careful. On the guy yard and who for trust and when for trust and who not to trust, see me? Yeah. I want taxi man to talk to you and I say, yo, I'm doing the research in a star, you know. Yeah, taxi man I say, boy, people in them car just do them shopping. I say, man, tell them here, ah, bam, 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 bam. Man's boss, eh? Bless you, they good? Yeah, man. Football. Yeah, later, eh? Yeah, man. Man say, taxi man say, when the people them here, they shot, they run out of the taxi. Left every bag, everything. He couldn't do nothing but roll off his car too. The man said he couldn't do nothing but roll off his car as well. Roll out of the car, roll off key, everything. But you have to take back thing laughing. Then you tell Jamaica star and tell us the people. If you want to subscribe, pick up yourself and take care until next time. You don't know. Peace and love, joy and protection, yeah? If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Please do so. Let the channel grow. Yeah man, a lion foot, I'm out.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.